Well, I haven't been able to make a video in a little while. I've been busy with personal stuff other than truck stuff. I was working on another Chevy 1.5 ton truck, doing the brakes for it, and I was concentrating on getting that done, and everything worked out great. The owner is very thrilled. And so today, I'm going to assemble the headlight buckets here. Hopefully we can see inside how little rust there is. These are the original headlight buckets from the truck. These little sealed beam hold down rings tend to rust out, as well as the beauty cap, or the cover ring. Anyway, so 12 volt sealed beam, Sylvania. The truck was originally 6 volt. 6 volt is great. Packs quite a wallop if you get some contact with positive and negative ground. Hurts pretty bad. 12 volt, not so much. Still hurts. But I don't know, I like 12 volt. Not many cars today run on 6 volts. They're all 12. So what happens if I need a jump start somewhere? These hold down screws I'm installing were originally number 832s, and I drilled the holes, or I just tapped them out for 1032s, and those are stainless steel screws. Heard the camera click. I thought it turned off. And the heads of the bolts, screws rather, right there, around in this area, I had to grind the diameter down just a little bit so they would clear. Not a problem. And again, with this application, no need for Gorilla tightening. Okay, so there's that. That looks pretty good. And I'll put the beauty ring on top. That just clicks right down. And then there's the adjuster here. Tighten that down. There we go. Let me grab the pedestal. So there's a carriage bolt in here. We can see the slot. That's for up and down adjustment. This pedestal is convex, The mounting plate is, the pedestal is, yeah, convex. The mounting plate is concave. That fits together that way. Then this nice big thick steel washer goes there. A lock washer here. And a nut. And there we have one headlight bucket ready to go on the truck. Okay, be right back. Alright, got the camera on the fender. Made some gaskets. Fits right down on there. I'm using quarter 20. Quarter 20 screws. Allen head screws. The inner one's going to be fun to get in. Okay. Very nice. Wondering if my Allen head wrench will even fit. I'm sure it will. I'll adjust the headlight out of the way. Wrong wrench. Now I know how they did this in World War II. After all the 2.5 ton trucks and all the Chevys that I've done, I'm doing it wrong. I just never saw it until today. What they did in the factory, I'll show you. The original screws that were in here, let's see if we can see that. I need to see that. Yep. The original screws that were in there were slot tip screws. I'm removing the nut from the bottom of the headlight bucket. That's how they did it. They put the pedestal on first. Nope, it fell to the ground. I didn't think it would fall, but it did. No big deal. And then they just dropped everything through. Stacked everything accordingly. Wow. One never knows when one will have an awakening. There we go. I believe that was a 3/4. Yep. So let's have a look. Pretty good. Okay. I'm going to do the other side off camera and I'll come back and take a shot of what it looks like with both of them on there. Alright. Starting to look like a truck again. So, have both of the headlight buckets installed. And I forgot, I've had this truck apart so long, I forgot about this piece of metal right here. It's a support. There we go. And it just helps support the fender a little bit. And it also guards the wire for the blackout marker light, which gets mounted here. And I don't remember what I did with them. They're here, but both headlight buckets are on with the sealed beam 12-volt lights in them. Starting to look like a truck again. I ordered a wire harness. I won't have time to build one. The union called me back to work, so curtain wall time, ribbon wall. Anyway, so this will conclude this little video here, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Later.